Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 operating system. So let us start. First open your browser and write down here google.com. So before that we have to check whether we have Java JDK in your system or not. So how to check it? Here you have to open cmd command prompt and write down here Java hyphen and version. It shows that Java is not recognized. That means you have not installed Java on your computer. Now the second command is Java C version and C. Again it shows it's not recognized. That means it's not installed on your computer. So to download the software you have to open the browser. Click here, write down here google.com and write Java JDK download. Now you can here see the Java downloads, that's from oracle.com. Open it. Here the Java 18 and Java 17 are available now. Here you can see different platforms of operating systems, that is Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Here click here Windows and you can see here x64 installer, and you can see here compressed archive, that's a zip file you can see here, but we have to download this file bin.exe. click on it. I have already downloaded this file. Here we'll double click on it. Click next. Click next. It will take some time to install. Now as you can see that the Java JDK has been installed. Click here close. Now you have to go to the installation folder. Here you can see Java JDK 18 and bin folder. You have to copy this location and go to the environmental variable. Click here. Click environment variables. Now edit path. Now go to the path and edit. Now you can use here new and paste it here and OK. And the second thing you have to do is new. Here you have to enter the variable name, that is Java home. There are number of Java things which you have to be accessed, so you need to enter variable name, that is Java home underscore home HOME, and the variable value will be the location, but this location, not bin location. Copy this and paste here and OK, OK and OK. Now we have set all the environment variables. Now we can go to the cmd again. Now we can check here whether it's working or not. Write down here Java and hyphen version. Now you can see here it's Java version 18.0.1.1. It's 2022, and the Java runtime environment, that is this, and the Java hotspot. Now we can say that it's working correctly, and we can enter another command, and it is Java C hyphen and version. Enter. Now you can see here it's working. This was all about how to download and install Java JDK. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.